In this tutorial, I'll show you how to resize a Facebook post design to Instagram post size in Figma. By the end, you'll convert your existing Facebook post into the correct Instagram dimensions inside Figma and export a clean PNG or JPG ready to upload. First, open your Figma file with the Facebook post design. On the canvas, click to select the frame that contains the post. Make sure you're selecting the outer frame, not just a group or a single layer. Now, ensure all content is inside that frame. In the Layers panel, check that every text box, image, and shape sits nested under the frame. If anything is outside, drag it into the frame so it scales together. This prevents elements from being left behind or cropped later. With the frame selected, move on to resizing. Press K on your keyboard to switch to the Scale tool, or use Resize in the right panel if you prefer working from there. We're setting the Instagram post size. For a square Instagram post, set the width and height to 1080 by 1080 pixels. For a portrait Instagram post, set it to 1080 by 1350 pixels. Type those exact values into the width and height fields while the frame is selected. Then scale the frame. Because you're using the Scale tool or Resize, all content inside the frame will resize proportionally. Images, shapes, and text boxes will scale with the frame so the layout stays intact. Once that's done, go through the design and adjust elements as needed. Check your text first. If the type looks too tight or too loose after scaling, adjust the font size, line height, or letter spacing so it's readable at Instagram size. Next, review images and buttons. Make sure icons and button labels are still clear at this scale. If any images look soft, you can slightly enlarge the image within its mask, keeping it sharp and centered. Now use Auto Layout to maintain proper spacing during resizing. If your sections or cards already use Auto Layout, select the container and adjust the spacing values in the right panel to fine-tune gaps between items. If a stack looks cramped after scaling, increase the spacing value. If it feels too loose, reduce it. This helps you keep consistent margins and padding without manually nudging each layer. At this point, scan the edges of the frame to make sure nothing is cropped or overlapping. Zoom in around the top, bottom, and sides, and confirm that headlines, logos, and calls to action are fully visible with enough breathing room. If anything shifted, realign it inside the frame so the composition looks balanced at the new Instagram post size. When your layout looks correct, you're ready to export. Select the resized Instagram frame. In the right panel, scroll to the Export section. Choose PNG for lossless quality with transparency if needed, or choose JPG for a smaller file size and solid backgrounds. Set the export scale to 1:1, so the output is exactly 1080 by 1080 pixels for a square post or 1080 by 1350 for a portrait post. Click Export to save your Instagram post to your computer. Name the file clearly so it's easy to find when you upload. Your Facebook post design is now correctly resized to Instagram post size in Figma and ready to share. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.